It's been a while. I'm going to today's subject that I'm going to read about is Australian vlog with 임준 서준. Here we go. Australian vlogs. There are hundreds of different types of vlogs in Australia, like that. Vlogs are many sizes and colors. The biggest vlog in Australia are magnificent tree vlogs. They are as big as a hand. The smallest vlogs are buzzing vlogs. They are as small as a fingernail. The longest vlogs are white lip tree vlogs. They are as long as a fork. All vlogs live in damp place. Some vlogs live by creeks and marshes. Some vlogs live in gardens near taps and ponds. Some vlogs live in trees in rain forest. Some vlogs burrow into damp ground, and vlogs have 4 fingers on each hand and 5 toes on each foot. Many folks have webs of skin between their finger and toes to help them swim. Frogs eat insects, spiders, and worms. Some frogs eat larger animals such as lizards, mice, or even other frogs. Male frogs make a croaking sound. They puff up the vocal sac under their chin, which makes the sound louder. Most female frogs lay eggs in water. The eggs hatch into the tadpoles, which don't look like frogs at all. After white tadpoles grow arms and legs and lose their tails, then they become frogs. Most frogs move about at night and sleep during the day. Australian vlog.